In this video, I'm going to show you how to give customers credit in QuickBooks Online. So first, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account, and then from the left-hand menu, click the plus new button, and then choose the credit memo. So in here, select the customer's name you want to issue a credit to, and then enter the credit details such as the date, product or service quantity, and the amount you're crediting. So you can also add a note or memo to explain the reason for the credit, like a return, overcharge, or service issue. So when done, click Save and Close or Save and Send to email it directly to the customer. So the credit will automatically apply to the customer's future invoices unless you manually apply it. So to do that, go to Receive Payment and then choose the customer and then apply the available credit to their balance. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.